In today's video, I'll teach you how to roll back Windows Update. So first of all, what you have to do is simply launch upon Windows Update settings. For that, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now search for Windows Update settings. Now you'll be able to find the result over here. Simply click on this option, open. Now after you do that, Windows Update settings will be opened. At left, you'll be able to find various options like Windows Update, delivery optimization, Windows security, files backup, etc. So if your Windows was updated recently and it is causing some problem, you can simply roll back to the previous version. For that, what you can do is simply click on this option, recovery, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the recovery interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option, go back to the previous version of Windows 10. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for get started. All you have to do is click on it. But keep in mind, this option will no longer be available if your PC was updated more than 10 days ago. So if this option is available, simply click on the option get started and follow through the prompts. After that, you'll be able to roll back the Windows update. But if this option is not available for you, you do not need to worry. What you have to do is simply uninstall the Windows update that was installed recently. For that, what you can do is simply click on this option, Windows Update. After you do that, you'll be led to the Windows Update interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for View Update History. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the update history interface. You'll be able to see all the update history over here. Simply click on this option, uninstall updates. After you do that, you'll be able to uninstall the updates over here. You'll be able to see the recent updates over here. So you can simply click on the problematic update that you want to uninstall, right click on it and you'll be able to find the option for uninstall. Click on it. After you do that, you'll have to restart your computer. After your device has been restarted, this problematic update will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to roll back Windows Update. So that is how you roll back Windows updates. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.